Okay, so we are back at the Tomlan Road. So that's nice. It's a nice touch. We need to figure out what to do with these. Okay, so we're going to put some matte entrance along here. But this flooring is not great, so I've asked Dean to put some soft leveling just to get it smooth so that we can put the mat on. Alex will paint that. What we're going to do is paint this as well, white, and then the rest we'll try and clean up. The decorating is well underway. I think we've got we're going to the end of this week for that to dry, and then another week, maybe a week and a half, so probably 2 weeks to finish the decorating throughout. I'm going to ask, well, I have asked us to remove that and little stuff like that so we can paint around it, because they are relics of the old property. I think they're probably old security systems, stuff like that. But if you don't know the codes and if you don't know their work or not, it's better just to replace them completely, because tenants will never use them, especially if we don't know the codes. Okay, radiator off. Kitchen. It's going to need a lot of caulking and cleaning, but otherwise, yeah, this is the brand new kitchen. Looks really good. Okay, so flooring. As I said, we're going to do the grey or black matte over there. I think we're going for laminate along here. I'll try and get the header bone design, and then medium grey carpets here. What I'll do is I went to to search the carpets to the suppliers and took some pictures of the design I like. So this is what they're going to look like now. And then in here we're going to use lino, I think. Again, herringbone. It's a small area, so you know if it does get scratched and damaged, then at least it's relatively cost effective to replace. But the important thing is it's waterproof, so it's essentially a cost effective solution. If we put laminate here, unfortunately, you know, it's water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So we'll keep the kitchen area separate. Can spend more money on it, but you know, over time, it's a high footfall area. I think whatever we put on it will get damaged. Okay, so I'll include the design here now, actually. Okay. So we're going to put this space here is for fridge, and then freezer, washer dryer, grey carpets. Again, this is going to be laminate all throughout here, along here, and in there as well. And this will be repainted with the lights on. So we've got electricity now, which is nice. Alex is going to sand this down and paint it, strip that down and paint that. I'll probably replace that grill as well and remove stuff like that. So this door, Alex said he can sand down and repaint the door brown. I think we're going to go with brown just to add a bit of colour, because everything's going to be white, brown and grey. Just at the cost of whatever the paint is. Our concern is that even once that's done, even though it's been repainted and everything, it's not brand new, and the rest of the house will be brand new. So while it will look good, it might stick out. So he suggested he'll do it anyway, see what we feel, how we feel, see what it looks like. And then if we don't like it, replace the doors. What I'll do is I'll ask Dean what the cost is to replace this with a similar door. So basically I want something with glass, brown door with glass. Same as this, brown door with glass, because I think the glass will help let the light flow through. Otherwise it'll be quite dark around here. See what the quote is, and then speak with our client. He's going to add some quotes for the woodwork as well. So again, just sand it down, repaint it brown. I want to have brown here, just to give some colour and some sort of a natural earthy look to it. Bedroom 1, fairly standard. Bedroom 2, again, really good size in here, good size. Need to find the latch to this. I did a quick video up there, and actually you can probably see, looks relatively dry. This is an EPC of C, so which is really good. That's potentially would have been really expensive to get this. If it wasn't a C, it could have been quite expensive to get it to a C, and that's going to be a massive issue for a lot of landlords. Bathroom, that is good. So again, we're going to use the same lino herringbone design as the kitchen in here. It's a wooden effect. I'll go nice with the white, and that will be repainted, sanded down, repainted white. So along with that, and I think that's it actually. Yeah. So I think we're looking at about a probably 3 weeks, I think. So what I might do, I'll probably give it, I don't know, should I start marketing now? No, no, I'll give it probably another 2 weeks, and then I'll take marketing videos, because I think this property will let very quickly. So what I might do is start at a higher rent, just in case it's been mispriced, because it's much better to start at a higher rent and then reduce your asking rent than to start low and let it and then underprice it, get it let, and then obviously it will take like years before we can get it back to what rent it should have got. So yeah, we'll probably start high, and it's a lovely area. It has a drive, has a garage, 3-bed, really nice downstairs. So I would expect a lot of demand. Also, we've actually let all our properties within the south of Birmingham. Yeah, so plenty of demand now. It's been quiet up until the end of March. We're at the start of April now. Everything's really kicking off. I think it's because the sun's out, essentially. All right, hope that's been helpful. My name's Nguyen. We're letting manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. Yeah, making good progress. Have a look at the front. Nicely, the Dean has cleaned the front as well. So yeah, it's returned the site to a really presentable state. This is the rest of the road, as you can see. You know, really nice houses, nice drives, bins at the front. It's an interesting one. So bin strike in Birmingham for a while now, but as you can see, everybody's bins at the front, but there's no rubbish on the floor. That is a sign of a good street and a good area, and that's where you want to invest. Anyway, hope that's been helpful. See you, bye.